Hi YouTube, this is Abdel Car Fix, and I'm doing this O2 sensor, the Bank 2 Sensor 1 on this vehicle. It's a 2003 Nissan Altima with a 3.5 liter engine, and on this case here, it's hard to get it. This is the O2 sensor, guys. Okay, hooks up right in the front. It's very hard to get it without taking the fan out. This is the fan. I took the fan out, drained the coolant, and took the fan out. It's so easy right now. Look at this. I just broke it loose. Use those long O2 sensor socket. See that? That's works great. Just as soon as you break it loose, it comes out by itself, guys. It's simple as this. But take the fan out, otherwise you have no space to work with it. That's what I did, and our sensor is coming out. Here it is. Okay, this sensor having some issues, and we're gonna replace it with a new one. Okay, I bought it on Amazon right there. Same harness, same everything. A lot cheaper than locally. Good brand. And basically just reverse taking it out. Now one thing you need to do is 2 bolts, 10 mil. Here holds the fan. Drain the coolant, lift this guy up, and the fan just comes out just easy. No problem at all. And then you can just put back the sensor and the fan, and it should be good to go there. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.